Hello everyone, welcome to a new video, this time from Legazpi Boulevard. So join us for a nice afternoon walk in this area. Let's go, guys. Mats, that's a nice place to chill, right?
Yeah.
Look at that, a raft on the water with some benches. Yeah, so cool.
Balsa. You know balsa?
No.
The word of balsa is a kind of a boat that made from the bamboo.
Ah, okay. A bamboo raft. Balsa.
Balsa, we call it balsa.
Ah, look, and if you want, you can just take a boat here and get into the water. I don't think it's that easy, but who knows. So this part is actually Puro Boulevard, I think. And you can see a lot of people are here around. Very beautiful view, amazing. Over there is supposed to be the Mayon Volcano, but you cannot see it well. Are you enjoying, Matt? Yeah? It's a nice place to come with your kids, with your loved one. And it's very nice here because the cool breeze coming over. So nice. I also think it's a really nice place when you're here to watch the sunset. I think it could be magnificent if there were not so many clouds. I'm glad I came here. This place has a lot of potential, to be honest, but yeah, if you look at this place, all the garbage everywhere. Just imagine if you could clean this up. You know, could make a very nice beach side. It's really nice to have a stroll here. But to be honest, there's not much to do here. Right?
Yeah.
But if you want some peace and quietness, it's ideal. What are you buying, Matt?
What is this, Kuya? Itlog pugo. Itlog pugo.
And what is that?
Quail egg.
Oh, it's a quail egg. I'm here.
And you see the quack quack?
Yeah, quack quack. I ate it last time in Manila.
Inside of the
Ah, so it's a cooked version. Yeah, okay, that's nice. I'm not a big fan of eggs, to be honest. So how is it? So like you can see, guys, we are here now in Legazpi Boulevard. This 3-kilometer long boulevard is a great place to have a walk, a jog, a run, rent a bike, and yeah, just enjoy yourself next to the water. And also what I really like about this place is that everywhere they have these beautiful benches that were donated by different institutions to the city of Legazpi. For example, here, Rotary Club of Legazpi. There are some other benches I saw, like from the Red Cross, and a lot of colleges, universities. So this is really nice. A lot of benches to enjoy the beautiful view along the water. Is enjoying her quail eggs. How are they?
It's good, it's the last piece.
It's already the last one.
Yeah. It's hard to...
Yeah, you're a real egg destroyer. So guys, if you see Matt's Put your chickens away, guys, or at least the eggs. Mats wants to have a run, but I'm not. Look at this, beautiful. Work wonders in the wheel. Another bench donated here. Why are you so active?
Because I eat eggs.
Ah,
I ate eggs. Four eggs.
you eat 4 eggs? 4 quail eggs. To be honest, I think this area really has some potential, guys. Look at this, some restaurants, grill, some bars here would be nice. And then of course here we have the beach. But unfortunately the beach doesn't look that great. Look at this beach. Just imagine if you would clean this up, make it beautiful again, and then make this area more active, and you have a great vacation spot. But honestly now, besides some locals here, who wants to go into the water here? No one, I guess. Yeah, it could be so nice. This is actually a nice one. I wonder what happened here. Fire or something like that? I don't know. The weather is really changing, guys. Hello, how are you? And here we have a bench donated by the University of Santo Tomas in Manila. Beautiful, right? Party! Party! We even have a rainbow. Let's party, Mats! Let's party! A skate park to discover the next Tony Hawk. And over there we have a statue. Let's see who this muscle guy is. Baltok, have you heard of this, Mats?
It's my first time, but when we read this thing about him.
And what is he holding in his hands? Is it like a crocodile head? Oh my god. Oh, this is a nice area as well. That's a nice area. Some vendors selling toys, people playing some volleyball there. An open air gym if you want to do some exercising. Mats, what is the name of this park?
Sawangan Park.
Ah, okay, it's nice here. Well, I was gonna say it was nice because something is happening there. Some problem with the wiring or something like that. Oh, it stopped. Are you again eating?
Yeah.
Didn't you just eat 4 quail eggs?
Yeah, spicy macaroni. I tried for the locals.
No, okay.
It's not.
Oh, catching a bubble. I want to catch a bubble. Ah, missed it like usual. Oh, you have a hiking trail over there as well, going up into that hill. Did enough of hiking today, not gonna do that. Yeah. Oh, they say no entry on the tower. So sad. Very nice relaxing vibe here. And a lot of food carts as well, to buy some food, some ice cream. You will not be hungry here for sure. Right, Mats?
Yeah.
And a lot of benches as well. Many people relaxing here near the park. And over there more food stands. Oh, look at that over there. It's like a wall of mist coming our way. Will you try, Mats?
Balut. Kahit anong sisiyo. Yeah, they asked me what I want. The small bird or quite the bigger bird.
And you picked the small bird.
I said to them, it's up to him.
It's up to you. Oh, okay. So, Mats, you will eat balut?
Yeah, this is balut.
Oh my God.
You are not real Filipino if you don't think.
For a foreigner, balut is like, yeah, it's crazy.
First thing is you need to crack the top. See?
What is that?
See?
What is that?
That's the egg. That's the
Oh my
egg
God, there's
inside and the bird.
There's a
and
bird
then there's
inside.
liquid,
What?
right? Then sip it.
What is that?
So
Oh my
yum.
God.
See? 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 You will never be a Filipino if you did not taste this one. You know? And then pour some salt and then shake it so that the vinegar will mix it into the fluid. See? I will open it quite wider.
Oh my
See?
God.
Oh my God.
What is this?
Yeah.
It's an eye. There is an eye.
No,
Look.
it's not an eye. I'm gonna sip it.
But there is an
Yeah.
eye.
No, it's not. That's a bird. You know, it's very protein.
Yeah, but there's an eye.
This one.
Oh my
Good.
God. This is crazy.
Crazy? Crazy.
For me, this is crazy.
Yeah, this one.
Oh, look.
This. See?
There was literally an
The
eye.
technique that you need to eat this one, then put.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm gonna stand a little bit further because
Yeah, you're gonna puke.
yeah, if I would ever try it, it needs to be on an empty stomach. But not like now.
If you are not into it, so you're gonna.
But there was an eye.
Yeah, there's a bird. How can you see if there's there's no eyes of the bird?
He was looking at me. He was literally, that eye was looking at me. Yeah, sorry guys, I will not try this one right now. No, I'm not on an empty stomach, so I will not do that. Maybe another time, but not this time for sure. I was shocked, you know, when looking at me with an eye like that. Ooh. I know it's a local Filipino food, but for a European, this is, yeah, over the top, you know.
And then you drink Mountain Dew.
Yeah.
See?
And also, you will not kiss me anymore today.
Okay. Oh, really?
No, stay away from me.
I wash my hand down. See? See?
Yeah, it's okay, your hand, but not with your mouth.
It's okay.
No, it's not okay.
So you're space.
Yeah, I will leave a social distance to you. She's mad at me now. Look. Let's go. Keep your distance. Come. Oh.
Really?
Yeah, further. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that's far enough. That's far enough. Yeah. Keep your distance. So yeah, the balut.
Yeah.
She's so excited.
Yeah.
That woman eats everything.
Why?
What?
You're so stinky.
Ah, stay away from me.
You don't drink.
You eat everything.
Yeah. That's why you need to try everything so that you will know if it's good or not.
You need to try everything. Okay. That's yeah.
Yeah.
This woman would literally eat everything. I think if I would poo in the street,
No,
a big sausage, and I put in there a flag without garlic, she would eat it. Because she would think, oh, it's a special kind of sausage, let's try it. No, that was a little bit too dirty. But I never seen any food that she didn't eat. Yeah.
Yeah.
Me on the other hand, I'm quite picky on what I eat. Yeah, I'm quite picky.
Because
I always pick the unhealthy options.
How can you know the recipe if you didn't try everything? So you know how to. I know how to cook, and then I will try everything so that I will.
Yeah,
know
but there were eyes.
Yeah, how can you did you see the bird that there's no eyes? Oh, they're blind.
Yeah, but they could. Yeah.
Have you seen that there is a bird that there's no eyes? Still
Yeah,
red?
but they clean it first before they bake it, and then
No,
when
they don't bake it. It's just a real egg. Then they boil it. They put into a pot and they boil it.
Yeah, I know what balut is, but still, it's the first time I saw it, and I'm quite shocked. You know, he gave me that look, you know, with the eye.
Really?
I'm gonna have nightmares tonight. So guys, this was it for this video on Legazpi Boulevard. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And by the way, if you want to see me try balut, leave it in the comments, yes or no. You want to see me try it? Yeah, you
try it.
Yeah, you want to see
to try it.
Yeah, okay, you say so. But what do the viewers say? Do I need to try balut? Leave it in the comments below, and maybe one day I will do it. See you soon in another video. Bye bye. Take care. Yo.